In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use links in Hootsuite. To get started, open Hootsuite and make sure you are on the area where you create a new post. You will see a button in the top left corner that says something like, plus, create a post. Go ahead and click that button now. This is the action that opens the composer, where you can write your content and attach your link. Next, once the post composer appears on your screen, look for the text area labeled for content. This is the main section where your message will go. You will want to find the content text block, which is where Hootsuite expects the wording and any link you want to share. Take a moment to confirm you are typing in the right box, because links placed in the wrong area may not be recognized correctly. Now that you have the content text block ready, the next step is to type or paste your full destination URL link directly into that area. Use the complete address you want people to open, including the full web address. If you are copying the link, paste it carefully so there are no extra spaces or missing characters. If you are typing it manually, type it exactly as it is, so it will work correctly when viewers click it. As you paste or type the link, watch what appears in the content field. Hootsuite will generally treat the URL as part of your post text. This means the link is included in the message you are about to publish or schedule, helping your audience easily access the destination you chose. If the platform formats the link visibly, that is a normal sign that it has been included. After the URL is in place and looks correct in the content text block, you are ready to finalize your post. Look at the posting options near the bottom or side of the composer area. You will see a button that says Post Now, which publishes the post immediately. You may also see an option to schedule it for later, which is labeled Schedule for Later. This step is important because it lets you control exactly when your audience will see the link. If you want the link shared right away, click Post Now. Hootsuite will then send your post out according to your connected accounts and settings. If you prefer to post at a specific time, choose Schedule for Later instead. Scheduling can be helpful when you want your link to go out during a certain window, such as when your audience is most active. Once you have selected your posting method, review your post one more time to ensure the link is present in the content and that the overall message looks as you intend. Pay attention to any formatting or spacing around the URL so it remains clear and clickable. When everything looks good, proceed with the final action for your chosen option. If you are posting immediately, that means confirming the post will go live. If you are scheduling, that means selecting the appropriate timing as prompted by Hootsuite. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.